Changing the page color is a simple way to customize the look of your document and make it stand out. To begin, go to the Design tab on the ribbon. Here you'll find the Page Color option in the Page Background group. Clicking on Page Color opens a palette of colors to choose from, including theme colors, standard colors, and more. Select the color that best suits your document style or your personal preference. As soon as you click a color, the background of your entire document changes to that color, giving your pages a fresh new look. If you don't find a color you like in the standard options, you can click on More Colors to open a dialog box where you can create a custom color by adjusting the hue, saturation, and brightness, or by entering specific RGB or hex values. This gives you complete control over the exact shade you want for your page background. Keep in mind that changing the page color does not affect printed documents by default unless you adjust your printer. Settings to print background colors and images. So this feature is mostly useful for digital documents or presentations viewed on screens. If you want to remove the page color later, simply return to the Page Color menu and select No Color. This will reset your document background back to the default white. Changing page color is a quick and effective way to add visual interest or match your brand colors without affecting your text or other formatting. That's it for how to change the page color in MS Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tutorials to enhance your document skills.